This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. Import is a business term, which means the purchase of both raw materials and finished products from another country. On the other hand, exports denote sale of domestically produced goods and services to other countries. These two aspects, imports and exports, are vital factors in any country's economy. Imports help a country to obtain goods and services it does not produce domestically, while exports help a country earn foreign income which enables it to purchase imports. The difference between a nation's exports and imports of goods and services determines its balance of trade. An economy is said to have a favorable balance of trade if its total exports exceed total imports. If its imports exceed exports, then it will experience an unfavorable balance of trade. Imports and exports in the fashion industry. The fashion industry currently dominates a large part of the international trade. Fashion generally means the currently popular style and practice majorly in clothing, footwear, and accessories. The USA has greatly involved itself in the fashion industry. It has recently been importing cotton t-shirts from China for the men's market as well as the women's market. Manufacturers of these t-shirts are several. One of them is Zhongshan Fuyume Fashion Corporation Ltd. located in Zhongshan, China. Equally, the USA exports second-hand clothing to other countries. These are used second-hand blue jeans, Levi's jeans, ropa usada española, apparel, garments, and many more. A company known as Second-Hand Clothing Company situated in Miami, Florida, majorly deals in the export of these goods. They are exported to Africa, Latin America, Asia, and the Middle East and worldwide. It partly forms a section of the total United States exports. Advantages and disadvantages of imports and domestic purchases. After having a deep insight into the global fashion market, we can identify advantages and disadvantages of buying imports over domestically produced products. First, let us see the advantages and disadvantages we realize from buying imports. In this case, we shall discuss the fashion industry. First and foremost, we can get clothing, footwear wares, and accessories of higher quality as compared to what is offered domestically. Domestic companies might lack the materials and technology that would ensure the quality manufacturing of such products. We are also able to get clothing and other related products in the fashion industry at cheap prices as compared to what is available domestically. This is because foreign companies can produce such products at a lower cost, most probably because of the large economical scale. Consequently, the domestic market is assured of stabilized prices. In addition, consumers can access a variety of products in the fashion industry. This would mean consumers would access products that are currently popular in the global market. This is common with the fashion industry as it goes with current styles and practices in the market. Conversely, the purchase of imports is always influenced by the country's government regulations on imports, such as tariffs, which makes it uneconomical to import. Import is also affected by costly air transport and shipment costs. Fluctuation of currency exchange rate also affects the fashion market negatively if the domestic currency becomes weak over the currency from which to buy the fashion industry products such as necklaces, earrings, etc. Buying domestic products will also have its advantages and disadvantages over imports. Domestic products are only subject to tax charges at the manufacturing stage, so they are likely to be sold at lower cost as they are exempted from import taxes. Buying domestically also helps to boost domestic industries. It also enables one to avoid lengthy and complicated legal processes of buying goods and services related to the fashion industry across the border. The great disadvantage is that domestic fashion products might be of lower value and expensive in the global market for fashion-related items. A retailer should balance the advantages and disadvantages of both domestic and foreign purchases, since no one way is correct. He should import if he can get a variety, and of course, get what is not manufactured domestically. He should also consider the final cost of domestic versus foreign fashion products, and make a wise decision of where to purchase to make his business profitable. Did you like this imports and exports fashion industry sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs.